Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making barbecue chicken stromboli. Alright, I'm starting out here in a bowl. What I did is I took 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sprinkled a little bit of salt on them, put a little bit of olive oil on them, put them in a 400-degree oven for a half hour. Then I took them out, let them cool a bit, and shredded them up. Now you could also buy a rotisserie chicken at the store and use that, or you could even get the canned chicken, drain it well, and use that. So this I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. This here is a 18-ounce container. I'm going to add half of it. So we're putting in a little bit over a cup. And I'm going to take my forks that I shredded the chicken with, and I'm just going to toss that chicken around in that barbecue sauce. I may add more. I'm going to see how this looks. I'm just going to do this with 1 fork, guys. And I think I'm going to add more barbecue sauce in this because we really want our chicken to have that barbecue flavor. And you just add your barbecue sauce till it looks right for you. And I think that's looking good right about there. I'm going to set my chicken aside just for now, and we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, now I took a cookie sheet, I put some parchment paper on it, and I sprayed a little canola oil. And I'm using this Pillsbury pizza crust in the can. This stuff is really handy and it's really delicious. I'm going to take this and I'm going to spread this out on the cookie sheet a little bit. And guys, you're not going to believe how simple this stromboli is to make. I'm going to take some of our barbecue chicken, about half of it, because I'm making 2 of these. I'm making one for, well, I'm making one on camera and I'll make the other one off camera, but I have to make 2 because my boys are going to mop this up, and if I only make 1, there's not going to be enough. So that's about half of my chicken. You just want to spread out in there. No, Dexter. No, this is ham. It's a ham loaf. Got to be careful. He's very sensitive about poultry. I'm just going to get a little more in here. All right, now I'm going to take some sliced provolone cheese. My hands are a little greasy from that dough, so if I can get this open. Bear with me, guys. I'm almost there. You gonna say hi to everybody, Dexter? Alright. I'm gonna take some sliced provolone cheese. And we're just gonna put some in here. I'm gonna go for 3 slices. I'm gonna take my dough and I'm gonna fold it over. Like so. You just wanna crimp down your edges. Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to trim that excess dough off of there. And if you're a crafty person, you could hold on to this dough and do something with it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to throw the excess dough away. Or what you could do is you could take this dough, roll it up, put it on a pan there, put a little garlic salt on it, and have some garlic sticks with this. But we're not goofing around today. I'm going to go ahead and trim this a little better around the edges. A little bit there. And it don't look like much now, guys, but when it's done baking, it'll be all nice and fluffed up. So let me grab a pastry brush here. I'm going to take an egg wash, which is just a scrambled egg, and I'm going to brush it over top of my stromboli. What this is going to do, it's going to give it a nice golden brown sheen when it's done baking. See, I mentioned the word egg, and now Dexter's gone all quiet. Yeah, it's just a double header day for you, isn't it, Dexter? I'm really hammering it with the chicken stuff. Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to cut some slits in the top of my stromboli. The reason I'm doing this is because this is going to build up steam, and if I don't do that, it's going to blow the seams out. Next, I'm going to take some shredded Parmesan cheese, sprinkle a little bit of that on top. And then I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my strombolis, I'm going to the second one, I'm going to put them in a 375 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes till my crust is golden brown. Then these will be ready to pull out. Alright guys, this is done. It just came out of the oven. I'll have to go for about 22 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added a little more barbecue sauce on top. Let's get in here and give this a go. The crust is nice and crispy. Really good. First you get that barbecue sauce and chicken. You have the crunch of the stromboli bread. You get that mozzarella cheese, or the provolone cheese, and then you have that Parmesan on top, and that Italian seasoning. That was really good, or it's really good, and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Barbecue chicken stromboli. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.